Welcome to our exploration of the Industrial Revolution in Manchester, England, a city steeped in rich history and innovation. In this video, we will journey through some of Manchester's most significant sites that played a pivotal role in shaping the industrial landscape. From the iconic Museum of Science and Industry to the historic Chetham's Library and the vibrant Castlefield Urban Heritage Park, we'll uncover the stories and heritage that defined this remarkable period. Join us as we also provide practical tips for navigating these key sites and gaining a deeper understanding of Manchester's industrial legacy. 1. Museum of Science and Industry, Mosey. Nestled in the heart of Manchester, the Museum of Science and Industry, Mosey, is a beacon of the city's industrial past. Housed in the historic Liverpool Road Station, the world's oldest surviving passenger railway station, Mosey offers a fascinating insight into the technological advancements that powered the Industrial Revolution. Visitors can explore a variety of exhibits showcasing everything from textile machinery to steam engines. Each display is designed to illuminate the pivotal role Manchester played in shaping the modern world. Interactive displays and live demonstrations make the experience engaging for visitors of all ages. If you're a history enthusiast or simply curious about the evolution of industry, Mosey is a must-visit. 2. Ancoats. Ancoats, often referred to as the world's first industrial suburb, is a testament to Manchester's pioneering spirit during the Industrial Revolution. This area was once a bustling hub of cotton mills and factories, churning out textiles that would be shipped worldwide. Walking through Ancoats today, you can still feel the echoes of its industrious past. The red brick warehouses and cobbled streets tell stories of a time when Manchester was the world's factory. Many of these historic buildings have been transformed into trendy apartments, cafes, and creative spaces, blending the old with the new. Ancoats is a vibrant neighborhood that beautifully captures the essence of Manchester's industrial heritage. 3. Victoria Baths. Victoria Baths is a stunning example of Manchester's architectural prowess during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Known as a water palace, this grand structure was opened in 1906 and served as a public bathhouse for the local community. The building is adorned with beautiful stained glass, intricate tiling, and ornate ironwork, showcasing the craftsmanship of the era. Despite its closure in the late 20th century, efforts to restore Victoria Baths have preserved its historical significance. Today, it stands as a cherished landmark, hosting tours and events that allow visitors to step back in time and appreciate the opulence of Manchester's past. 4. Chetham's Library. Chetham's Library is the oldest public library in the English-speaking world, and it holds a special place in Manchester's history. Founded in 1653, the library has been a center of learning and scholarship for centuries. It houses an impressive collection of books, manuscripts, and archives, offering a window into the intellectual pursuits of the past. Walking through the library's ancient reading rooms, one can almost imagine the scholars and thinkers who once sat there, pondering the great questions of their time. Chetham's Library is not just a repository of knowledge, it's a living testament to the enduring power of education and curiosity. 5. The Rochdale Canal. The Rochdale Canal played a crucial role in Manchester's industrial development, serving as a vital transportation route for goods and raw materials. Stretching over 30 miles, it connected Manchester with the neighboring towns and facilitated the movement of textiles, coal, and other commodities. Today, the canal is a picturesque waterway, attracting walkers, cyclists, and nature enthusiasts. The towpaths offer a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, and the surrounding landscapes are dotted with remnants of Manchester's industrial past. Whether you're exploring by foot or taking a leisurely boat ride, the Rochdale Canal provides a unique perspective on the city's history. 6. John Rylands Library. John Rylands Library is a masterpiece of Victorian Gothic architecture and a treasure trove of literary and historical artifacts. Established by Enriqueta Rylands in memory of her husband, John Rylands, the library opened its doors in 1900. Its breathtaking design, with soaring ceilings, intricate stonework, and stunning stained glass, is a testament to the artistic vision of its creators. The library's collection includes rare books, manuscripts, and archives, offering a glimpse into the intellectual life of the past. Visitors can explore the magnificent reading rooms, where the echoes of history resonate in every corner. John Rylands Library is more than just a library, it's a sanctuary of knowledge and beauty. 7. Castlefield Urban Heritage Park. Castlefield Urban Heritage Park is a remarkable area that celebrates Manchester's rich industrial heritage. Situated at the site of the Roman fort of Mamucium, Castlefield is a unique blend of history and modernity. The area is known for its network of canals, viaducts, and restored warehouses, offering a glimpse into the city's past as an industrial powerhouse. Visitors can explore the scenic waterways, enjoy a leisurely stroll along the towpaths, or simply relax in the picturesque surroundings. Castlefield is a vibrant cultural hub, hosting events, festivals, and outdoor performances that bring the area's history to life. It's a place where the past and present seamlessly coexist. 8. The People's History Museum. The People's History Museum is a captivating exploration of the history of democracy and social change in Manchester and beyond. Located in a former pump house, the museum showcases the struggles and triumphs of ordinary people who fought for their rights and freedoms. Exhibits include banners, photographs, and personal stories that highlight the voices of those who champion social justice. The museum's interactive displays and engaging narratives make history accessible and relevant to visitors of all ages. The People's History Museum is a powerful reminder of the enduring human spirit and the importance of standing up for what is right. 9. Practical tips for exploring Manchester's industrial heritage. Exploring Manchester's industrial heritage is a rewarding journey, but it's important to plan your visit carefully. Start by checking the opening hours and any special events or exhibitions at each site. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, as many of the attractions are best explored on foot. Consider purchasing a Manchester City Pass, which offers discounts on entry fees and transportation. Don't forget to bring a camera to capture the stunning architecture and scenic views. Finally, take some time to relax and enjoy the vibrant food and drink scene in Manchester, which offers a delicious taste of the city's diverse culture. With these tips in mind, you're ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure through Manchester's industrial past.